Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Healing Ointment, 3 ounces, 85 grams. Product Overview Description. Number 1 Dermatologist Recommended brand for dry feet and heels. For dry, cracked heels and feet, clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy looking skin. Skin Protectant, Preservative and Fragrance-free. Dermatologist Recommended Sponge Tip Applicator for touch-free application. Recommended by dermatologists, Aquaphor Healing Ointment protects to help heal dry, cracked skin on heels and feet. Uses: temporarily protects and helps relieve cracked skin. Helps protect from the drying effects of cold weather. Suggested use: apply as needed. Other ingredients: drug facts. Active ingredients. Purpose: Petrolatum, 41%, skin protectant, ointment. Inactive ingredients: mineral oil, cerasin, lanolin, alcohol, panthenol, glycerin, bisabolol. Warnings: for external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse with water to remove. Stop use and ask a doctor if irritation occurs. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Protect this product from excessive heat and direct sun. Take 2 safety seals. Do not use if tube or cap safety seals are broken or missing. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.